Okay, so we are going to start with her hair parted where we usually do for styling. Then remember, the most important thing about a girl's haircut is the position of their head. We're gonna put the head down just like that. I always say look at your knees. We're going to put the head down. We're going to part a little section about an inch, inch and a half wide. And see how I'm keeping this hair really close to the back? I'm going to travel all the way down. I'm going to cut just the dead ends off. And I actually am going to do a blunt cut on her. Then some that I haven't cut, some that I have cut. See how I'm just keeping my fingers really close to the back. Now remember, everything behind the ear, you want the head forward. So you're going to have to probably adjust the head every cut. You want to put the head straight up. You want to take some that you have cut, some that you haven't cut. See how I'm still going straight down? And I'm going to match what I have cut, what I haven't cut. Now, a lot of times you're not going to cut as much in the front because sometimes their hair isn't grown or doesn't grow as well right here.